सेहत है तो सब कुछ है।
दोस्तों आज हम किसके घर पर हैं? वेल आज हम हैं टेलीविजन सेंसेशन शरद मल्होत्रा के घर पे। वेल ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा चार्मिंग है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा फिट है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक है। आज मैं उनके घर पर हूँ क्योंकि मैं उनसे पूछने वाली हूँ उनके फिटनेस टिप्स, उनका फिटनेस मंत्र। सो लेट्स गो कैच हिम एंड लेट्स आस्क हिम हिज फिटनेस मंत्र। शरद फॉर बीइंग ऑन द शो।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन द शो।
शरद आप इतने चार्मिंग हैं, आप बैक टू बैक सीरियल्स करते हैं, आपकी एनर्जी हम देखते हैं टेलीविजन पे एंड विमेन आर जस्ट फ्लोर्ड ऑन योर पर्सनालिटी।
आई होप सो।
तो आपका फिटनेस मंत्र क्या है?
आई थिंक फॉर मी फिटनेस इज it's not only about the body, it's also about the mind. I think it's very important to think you're fit from here. जिम में सिर्फ जाने से, बॉडी बनाने से आई थिंक आदमी फिट नहीं रहता है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू थिंक दैट यूर हेल्दी. It's important to feel you're healthy. It's important to see healthy things. It's important to talk healthy things. So I think it's a package of everything. Definitely in our profession, a good body is very important. You need to be physically good looking, fit. You have to be all the time, at your best. So which is not possible. Humanly, it's not possible that आप every day जा रहे हैं, workout कर रहे हैं after 12-13 hours of shoot every day. So for me, it's important to just feel good about myself. I have put on a lot of weight. There have been times when I put on a lot of weight also. Could be for the character, could be that कभी नहीं मन करता gym जाने का. You want to just be normal, sit at home, probably dig into your favorite pizza or something, which is absolutely fine. Please do that. I tell all my fans, I tell all my friends that if you want to enjoy life, but important to also maintain a balance. जो मैं try करता हूँ कि at least if I'm having a good pizza, if I'm having something that I love to eat, next day I usually go and I burn the, I want to just get the calories off my system. So that's something which is important. So it's important to maintain a good balance between both.
शरद आपने मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ और मेंटल बैलेंस की बात की. So what do you do for your mental strength?
It's the conditioning of the mind. So it has taken me about 13 years into the industry now. This is currently, I'm working on my third show, my third successive. It's like a daily soap which I'm working on, which is Kasam Tere Pyar Ki, and by the grace of God, my previous shows have been super hits. So the pressure so much that the times when you are, because of the peer pressure, the work pressure, you just tend to probably crumble because people expecting so much out of you all the time. Could be on set also because you have to give that one take. You have to say your 5 pages in one go without your fumbles and. So now because it's taken me so many years and now because you've conditioned yourself that way, it's important that I feel good about myself. Like I told you, even if I put on weight, I feel I'm happy. So important to be happy. So you could be happy here. If you're happy here, it shows on your face. You just don't have to have a smile on your face and not be happy here or be happy here. I believe in a lot of vibes, a lot of energies. So I usually meet people, I try and meet people who are very positive, who take life in the right spirit. जैसे मैं कई बार कहता हूँ that I read a lot of good stuff. I try and read a lot of good stuff. I see a lot of good stuff. I talk a lot of good stuff when I hear a lot of good stuff. So that somewhere, it's all around you.
It's like a meditation.
It's like my meditation. I do not sit down and meditate. I cannot do that. I'm a very hyper, very impatient guy. But I usually, what I've started doing, I've started seeing a lot of nice things around. Basic television, could be movies, could be, listening to probably people who not exactly who are like preaching, but then I'm talking about the basic fundas of life that you have to feel good about life. You have to feel good about yourself. You have to feel good about your friends, your family. So it's accumulative. It's everything. It can't be one thing.
शरद आपने बोला आपका स्केड्यूल बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी रहता है. This is your third successive. This is your third show.
My third show and every show has completed about 700 plus episodes. So currently I'm shooting for my 620th episode for my third show. Yes, it's about 13 hours a day, every day of very hard work.
So how do you balance your fitness? आप gym कब जाते हैं?
I go to the gym usually. मेरे timings जो होते हैं बहुत ही weird हैं, बिल्कुल भी normal नहीं है. I go to the gym around 11:30 at night. I work out for about an hour and a half. I do a lot of weight training. I do a lot of cardio. I do a lot of muscle strengthening. I do a lot of stretching. So that is it's like a mix of everything. I do a lot of cardio, like I told you, a lot of. I was also a lot into kickboxing also.
Oh, wow.
So everything's really helped me a lot now.
So combined training, you
It's a
believe?
combined mixed training which really helps me. I cannot do one thing. I cannot just do weight training. I cannot just do cardio. I cannot just do yoga or meditation. It has to be a mix of everything. Or else I really get bored. I get bored of one thing very soon.
Sharad, what is your daily schedule? When do you get up? When do you go for work?
I
How do
usually
you-
get up at I sleep very late. Like I told you, I work out 11:30
Yes.
at night. So I cannot. If you're working out that late, you will not be sleepy that because your body's so pumped and you're back from the gym. So I usually sleep by 1:30 at night. It could be about 2 also, and I get up by 7:30 in the morning. So I'm not a very early sleeper. I sleep very less, but I always tell people you have to get your 7 hours of sleep. But having said that, I'm on sets by 9:30. We start shoot by 10, and 10 to 9:30 I'm shooting. So then I get, I'm traveling. By the time I reach my gym, I eat something. I have my protein shakes. I have my pre-workouts. Uske baad workout start hota hai. So it's like a proper process which has to be followed.
When we talk about meal, Sharad, what kind of meals do you prefer? What do you have in your breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
It's usually advisable to have about 4 to 5 meals a day.
Yeah.
So my meals are very small. It's about, my breakfast has to be very good because I'm starting the day. So your breakfast, they say it should be like a king.
King, yes.
It's usually, I love my idli, a nice portion of idli is what I have in the morning. Then I have my oatmeal. I have fruits in the morning if I have the time. And I have my morning tea has to be there with me. If I don't get my morning tea, I get very cranky all day.
So you have green tea or you just
No,
have black
I
tea?
love my regular masala chai. I'm
Okay.
not a green tea guy. But abhi because I see everybody having a lot of green tea nowadays. So kabhi kabhar I have a green tea. But I love my basic desi doodh wali chai, jo Punjabis lete hain. So I'm a hardcore Punjabi. I love to eat. I love to have my chai. That's how I am. So
And how is your lunch? What is
my lunch usually I take from home. So I have a cook who usually gives me regular 2 chapatis, dal, could be chicken, could be veggies, some salad, and a curd. A portion of curd has to be there. So it could be a mishti doi. I love sweets. So I get probably some mishti doi, or probably get some regular curd. Or probably I could get some, you have these wild berry curds also.
Yes.
So I love curd. Curd is something I love. So thoda everything, a small proportion is very important.
very important? So because you're shooting in the evenings, during the evenings you're shooting.
I feel hungry after every 2 hours
Oh,
because
wow.
my meals are very small. So शाम को कभी मन करता तो I love bhel. So हमारे set के बाद बहुत सी भेल मिलती है.
So you go have
I
bhel.
go have bhel also, but I know that after having bhel I get so guilty that I have to probably go and run extra half an hour in the gym. So that is something which I love to indulge. नहीं तो evening is usually 2 biscuits and my chai again. So that's something which is fixed and which everybody knows.
And you must be having late night dinner because you sleep late.
My dinner is usually very late, but my dinner is usually just a portion of salad.
Okay.
It's a lot of veggies, it's a lot of dal, it's a lot of protein, a lot of salad, a lot of chicken. That's something which I usually have a lot. So there's no roti chapati at night. There's no rice, nothing. And rice is something I don't have at all.
Oh, you do not have rice.
I used to
at
love
all.
my biryani a lot. I'm from Calcutta, so you get the best biryani in
In
the world in
yeah,
Calcutta.
yeah.
But I am totally off biryani right now. I'm totally off rice. Chapatis usually, like I told you, in the afternoon, lunch, 2 chapatis and that's it.
Sharad, as you just said that you have a very busy schedule, so I'm pretty sure you must be having outdoor shoots as well, abroad as well. So while traveling, how do you manage your meals? Because आपकी वो चाय कहाँ मिलती है और फिर वो इडली कहाँ मिलती है? How do you manage it?
That's a very interesting question. I think usually I usually carry my, you have those pre-mix masala chais and all. So I
Yeah.
carry like a box of that. I have to have my chai in the morning. So that's something which I carry. In case if you do not get, if you go, I'm sure nowadays everywhere in the world you get masala chai. Could be US, could be UK, everywhere. But kai baar hota hai when you go to a place when there's no chai
chai,
available.
yeah.
So I have to have my chai. So that's when I carry that pre-mix boxes with those
Smart
dips and all.
guy.
I have to do that. So
Yeah.
and that is something there. And then I think for my fitness, usually if it's leisure, like just going chilling on a chill trip, I do not work out because that is something when I just give my body a break. But otherwise, if there's a shoot or something or there's an event, I usually again, if there's no gym available, if there are no weights available, there's no machine available, no facilities, I go run a lot. So it could be a new place. So I put on my shoes, my running shoes, and I just go running in the morning, 2 hours prior to shoot. So that's something which I do. So it could be agar 7 ki shift hai morning ki, and if it's very cold also, I usually get up at 5 in the morning and go for my run. So that's something which I have to.
And how do you balance your meals then?
Meals again, I usually tell them that if I'm like a hardcore meat lover. You know, I'm a Punjabi, so obviously like
Yes.
all Punjabis love chicken and they
Chicken
love their
and-
butter chicken and all. So if there's no chicken available, I prefer simple veggies or whatever. So that's something which is available everywhere. So in case if there's no meat available, I have my veggies. Now if there's no dal available, I have my soup. So I have like a nice substitute to things around. If there's no roti, I have bread. But usually it's a multigrain bread or a brown bread. So that's how I kind of manage things.
Manage your
around.
meals
Yeah.
when you're shooting abroad.
Yeah, I have my fruits. So, and I carry my protein bars also.
Protein bars
Yeah,
as
I
well.
have those meal bars, those meal replacement bars, and also.
Oh, very nice idea you've given to people that if you can't
Yeah,
have
so in
chai,
case if you can't have your meals, if you're on the move, please carry your meal replacement bars. You get them everywhere. Very healthy. I cannot name the brands because it'll not be right. But then you can. I'm sure you're smart enough to find out which is a very good meal replacement bar. And just go and pick them up and keep them in your bag, in your purse, whatever, and just have them whenever you have the time.
So Sharad, because you've given such nice fitness tips and such nice fitness information, I would request you to please share a few fitness tips with our viewers.
Okay, I think fitness tips, great. I think for all the viewers out there, all my fans, I think it's very important. Like I said, I've been always saying that think healthy, think about good things in life. Life is beautiful. Even after, if you go through a depressed phase also, it's very normal. All of us go through bad phases, but you have the good phases in life. Think you're healthy, think you're fit, and you will be fit, but it's also important to work out. If you have the time, please work out, exercise. If you cannot go to the gym, work out at home. It's very simple. Do your sit-ups, do your push-ups, do your crunches, go for your morning walks, go for your morning jogs or whatever. It's very easy. It's all about thinking you're fit. It's all about believing you're fit. So that's something which you have to drink a lot of water. I forgot, you should drink a lot of water. I try and drink at least 10 to 12 glasses a day, glasses of water a day. And avoid, if you can, some junk food what should I say? I mean, I love my pizzas and my burgers and my French fries, but I kind of keep it at a very low rate, as much as I can. So enjoy everything, have everything, but then work out also. It's very important to eat everything in life. So.
दोस्तों वक्त हो चला है एक छोटे से रैपिड फायर राउंड का। देखते हैं शरद कितने स्पॉन्टेनियस है और कितनी जल्दी हमारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देते हैं। शरद, are you ready for a rapid fire round?
Absolutely, yeah.
My first question to you is, who's your favorite author?
Actually, there are quite a few, I think, but my all-time favorite has been Jeffrey Archer.
Okay.
And also currently I'm reading, which I want to tell you people.
Yes.
It's this beautiful book called Charles Chaplin. It's like the autobiography of this legend.
Okay.
If you can, it would be great. I think I'm currently into this right now. So I'm not a very avid reader, but whenever I get the time, I read a lot of J.K. Rowling, Jeffrey Archer. So yeah, I'm a little choosy about my books. I read a lot of autobiographies also. I've read the first superstar of India, Mr. Rajesh Khanna. I've read his autobiography as well.
Wow.
So that was very inspiring. Currently, I'm reading this and hopefully a few more in the coming days.
So which is your favorite travel destination?
Oh, hands down, has to be San Francisco.
Your favorite cuisine?
Lebanese. Definitely, my butter chicken is always there to save me, but I think Lebanese is something I love because it's very healthy. Like pita bread and hummus and yeah.
Your favorite sports person?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Who is your fitness idol?
Dwayne Johnson and Arnold Schwarzenegger and Sylvester Stallone, three of them.
Three of them together.
Together.
Okay. Last but not the least, Sharad, who do you think is your favorite actor apart from yourself?
I think I'm my favorite too, but I think apart from that, I think it has to be Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. For the energy, for the aura, for the magnetism, for the very charming smile he has. So it's like I can go on about him because I think he's one person I've really looked up to. And the kind of energy he has, that really inspires me a lot. I mean, at that age also, he's fabulous.
Fantastic,
Fabulous,
yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If we can be half that, once we reach that, it'll be like a dream come true. So.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Sharad.
you. Thank you so much.
Succeeded in your rapid fire round.
Okay, great. There's no
and
hamper, but I feel good about it.
Yes, we also feel good about it because you're very spontaneous, just the way you are very, very fitness enthusiastic about your fitness. You're so careful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being on the show. It was
Thank you.
lovely chatting with you.
Pleasure, absolutely. Thank you.
तो दोस्तों ये थे टेलीविजन सुपरस्टार शरद मल्होत्रा, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द चॉकलेट बॉय ऑफ द टीवी इंडस्ट्री। ही सो चार्मिंग, ही सो एनर्जेटिक एंड सो फिट। आपको पता चल गया इनका फिटनेस मंत्रा। और सिलेब्स का फिटनेस मंत्रा जानने के लिए देखते रहिए हमारा फेवरेट शो और आपका भी फेवरेट शो फिटनेस मंत्रा ऑन योर फेवरेट टीवी चैनल केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी, क्योंकि दोस्तों सेहत है तो सब कुछ है।
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.